All right, straighten it out. Fix the outside part. There you go. Lay it down flat. There you go. Now fix the hole outside so it's nice. Straighten it out. There you go. Wrap it around so it's nice and tight. Fix the other side. Nope. There you go. Wrap it all the way around. Alright, now stand on top of the hose and flatten it. There you go. All the way around. Nice and tight. There you go. That's it. Single donut roll. That's what we call that. Single donut roll. That's right. You did it perfect. Good job. Alright, now we're going to put it back.